Welcome to episode 2 of the Hilux build. Today we'll be installing the Enertec blade battery and the Ctek chargers into the Hilux. I've got an extra pair of hands that's coming to assist me. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's a nice place. Ook fucking out. En die gaan we zeker gebeuren ze daar, ja.
Jammer. Ja, als nu daar direct aan je. Je kan aan
Ja, wat. Nou, moet het doen, joh. Zoiets. Oké.
Die manier waar je om is wel echt wat.
Ja. Ja. Ik ben alleen gewoon een kleiner boer. Oké. Ja. En dan ga ik eerst zwemmen.
Merk je hem op, ja.
En dan gaan ik uit je fit en dan zeker maak. Ze op de rechte plek. Hoe vast in dit? This is fucking scary cockpit.
iets van boord af. Dat net vol. Overal wil gaan.
Ja, nee, fuck it. Ik moet wel eigenlijk die boren dwars in de vender.
Nee, maar als je laat die boord warm raken.
Ja. Ja, ik ga hem ook beter is met een beetje.
Eigenlijk een beetje. Die plaats is net
Ja. Ja, je zei double seam, zo. Oh, fuck it.
de double af.
Lijkt me zo, ja.
Je moet altijd stil op.
Ja, nee, dat denk ik niet. Je ziet dat.
Jo, dat is goed.
Dat is mooi. Ja, dat is net rubber. Alright.
Misschien moet je de boord van mij los, want dat is niet voor mij zo pijnlijk.
Ja.
Dat is mij pijnlijk.
Ik ga nu los met die boer, dan kan ik van mijn whisky gaan gooien en dat weet die mensen klaar. Ik kan het later weer.
Oh no. Ja. Oh, maar die spijs ik ook.
Ja, ik zit daar maar net op.
Ja.
Oké, verder. Oké. Let's try.
Die kan ik leuk doen, hè?
Ja. Okay, so it's time to see where we'll install the chargers. I've got an idea. Just have to check if it will work. Let's hope so. Thinking. Alright, there. Over there. And other one. Over there. What do you think? What does it look like? Does it work? Yes, I know that piece of wood is flimsy, and yes, it's a shaft that I built myself. It doesn't look perfect, but it's practical, okay? Okay. Yeah, so this is the cable that goes to the battery itself. So I use the figure what we need here and all this. Cut it around here. Special cigars. Okay. Look up here. Another one's got rising. Cut. Here we go. Good job. It's almost rugby time. Springboks are playing in, I think, about an hour. So I have to finish off here. I'll do the fuse box tomorrow. This side of things is actually so simple. Anyone that's got a bit of technical knowledge can do it. It's really simple. That's what I love about Ctek. They make stuff so simple. So yeah, I'm gonna do these terminals real quick, and then just check out my mic store. Yeah. And then we will go on tomorrow. To me, it's quite important to always use a proper wire stripper. You don't get, not like that though. So you don't get bad connections, simple tears in insulation and stuff like that. Just gonna cause frustration. As you can see, I'm starting to get into a rush because I don't want to miss the rugby. There. Grootkie. No, I need more terminals. Okay, so today we're going to install the fuse box. We're going to connect the M15. The D250 SE is already connected, as you can see. Over here we've got the cable coming from the main battery at the front. On the front, it's just a 6mm square cable that's coming through from here or into there and into here, and then towards the battery another just a 6mm square from here going to the main battery. And when we install the solar panel, that will just connect here and the negative on that side. So let's get this done. Okay, so our cable's coming from the M15 as our battery sense wire. We've got a negative and a positive. I'm just going to put them on these normal M8 terminals here, and then that's basically connected. Then whenever we start replace with 220, we can just plug it in and it will also be charging. The battery sense I'll probably put at the back or something. I'll see. So, even though I've got a fuse box there, I prefer to just have something on the main line. That's why I'm installing this. Just if something goes wrong on the main line, then this pops. Yes, there's other places where you can go fuse like the fridge supply or the light supply or the tent supply, whatever. But this would ultimately just be for the main line in. So if something goes wrong, this will just drop. Yeah, so that's why this is there. I've also got on the just here where the mains come in from the main battery. There's that 6mm square that I was talking about earlier. That will basically, that also has fuses by the battery. That was installed in the car. So, yeah. Okay, so now you're done basically. there's a few other wiring stuff that I need to do, but Ctek chargers are installed, the battery is installed. Just installed a little switch panel there where I can charge. That also sends power to the Bundetop rooftop tent. So I just switch that on, and then I've got power to the Bundetop. And then also for the pump, that wiring I still must do. But yes, in a nutshell, that's the Ctek and the Enertec blade battery installed.